Gilson Rotary sifters and silent sifters are a fast, safe, and effective tool for particle size separation of granular material and are designed for a long service life. Before performing maintenance or repairs on the unit, always read and understand the safety, operating, and maintenance instructions supplied with the unit. If you find that the timer display is lit, but the motor does not run, you first unplug the unit, remove the 8 upper side screws and the 2 upper control panel screws. Then remove the top panel. And then slide the back panel up and off the sifter cabinet and set it aside. This will expose the electrical connections. Next, check the electrical connections for any loose or faulty wiring. If necessary, trace the circuitry with an electrical meter using the electrical schematic diagram found in the operating manual. Next, check that the lower V-belt between the motor and drive pulley is intact and properly tensioned. Check if there's any signs of a burnt out or faulty motor. If the motor is still inoperable, contact Gilson to confirm diagnosis and arrange for a replacement part. For any questions on your Gilson rotary or silent sifter, or for any Gilson product, please contact your Gilson technical support team.